Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're most and definitely welcome. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone that subscribed to my YouTube channel, everyone that has shared the link and shared all the mini videos and everything. I just want to say a big thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my skincare routine. Actually, I'm not a routine kind of person. I find it difficult doing routines, but I try to put in effort into
doing routines, but I try to put in effort into doing this skincare routine because I know it is essential. It is necessary. It is not mandatory.
So if you want to know how my face went from this to this, then you want to definitely keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just going to be starting up with my face, and I'm going to be showing you my face scrub. Also, I'm going to be listing what this scrub makes up of. So this is my scrub, and yeah, it's almost finished, so I need to make another one. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you my face toner as well. Also, I'm going to be listing what it contains as well. I'm going to be using the black castor oil for skin and hair treatment, and yeah, my favorite of all, I'm going to be using the 24K gold Little serum. Guys, this what I use, to achieve that glow face. Okay, so let us start by applying some of this magic materials on the face. Okay, so I was just lazy to actually go to the bathroom to moisten my face because I was making this video in my room. So I just used the scrub like that, and I'm done with the scrub. I'm going to be back. I need to wash all of this up. Welcome back, guys. So I went to the bathroom, I washed off my face, and I'm just going to be dabbing. Is that correct? Yeah, I'm going to be dabbing my face. I'm going to be dabbing my face with my towel. So yeah, that's it. Dab, 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 dab. So up next is my magic toner. So this magic toner, okay, let me just put what it contains again for just to re-emphasize, right? So I'm going to be taking a small quantity of cotton wool, and I'm going to be I'm going to be applying some to the cotton wool. I'm just going to be cleaning my face thoroughly. Up next, my lip scrub. I use a cube of sugar, some water, a cup of groundnut oil. I break the sugar into it, then I take a quantity of cotton wool, and then I take the scrub and I scrub my lips. It's sugar, so it's sweet. You don't mind it getting into your lips, so you dab up the excess, and boom, you have that lip looking sexy as ever. So I'm just going to be applying my castor oil and my 24K gold serum. I'm just going to be applying it generously. And guys, these two babies are like my go-to when I don't want to put on makeup. I just do my brows, I use my castor oil and my serum, and boom, I'm going out. No makeup. Baby girl is glowing. Anyways, I'm just applying my castor oil to my face. Up next is Babe Potential Gold Serum. I'm just applying it on my face generously. Oh gosh, I'm going to be massaging it into my skin. You see that? Everywhere. I'm just going to dab up my lips because I need to put on some lip balm, give those lips some moist. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying generously. There is no need to, let me use the word solar palm. I used to use that word back in my secondary school. Anyways, there is no need to solo palm, so just apply generously. It is yours. If it finishes, you get another one. Okay, so and this is just how my skincare routine goes by. So this is how my face looks like once I'm done with my routine. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I go live the best of my